Hello everybody, my name is Ron Sweeney and I'm going to show you a quick demonstration here on how to import those pesky foreign CDs into your packs using OsiriX. As you can see here, what I had to create is something that emulates that problem in our world. I have a foreign CD that came in, it has no DICOM dir on it, it has scattered JPEGs throughout the file system, and has a little bit of DICOM in there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and import this CD. And the idea here is that we want to import this CD, convert these things to DICOM so we can send them to our packs and associate them with a patient. And this makes it available to the radiologist without a whole lot of hassle. Now, we've inserted the CD. Now, OsiriX should complain, which it has. It says, hey, by the way, dude, we don't have any DICOM dir. We know that, so this isn't a problem, and that's what we're here to show. So I'm going to go ahead and import that foreign CD using the import dialog and point it to the root of the CD, and I'm going to go ahead and copy all those files into OsiriX. I'm going to let OsiriX do some work here. When OsiriX is done, it should show what it has imported into OsiriX, which here's the JPEG set. This little symbol here means that it's unread, and here is the DICOM that it found on there. So we successfully have it in our OsiriX application. Now what we need to do here is convert this particular series to DICOM so we can get it into our packs. And luckily for us, there's a cool plugin that converts this to DICOM for us. Thank you, Lance. Once the dialog comes up, we want to specify things that are relevant to the patient that we're importing. Patient ID, a study description, and maybe study date and time if you want to backdate that to when the CD has a timestamp on it if you want to. And we're going to go ahead and open this up. Now what it's going to do is it's going to convert all those JPEG images to DICOM, and it should show up here in our patient list of who we specified. So there we go. We now have these images in DICOM, and we can now get these into our packs. So that's what I'm going to do at the next step here, is get these into our packs. My packs happens to be this cool little app called XRAD, a little DICOM SCP that's very easy to configure and use. Love it to death. So I'm going to go ahead and send this into our packs. Once that's complete, I'm going to verify that it made it. I'm going to use the Escape Medical Viewer to double check my work here. And there they are. The images have showed up as DICOM to be used later. So you're saying, hey, okay, what about the DICOM that was imported? Well, as you remember before, it was up here. It was this ForeignCDImport. You can do that by dumping the headers on where it's at, but you can do this in the same manner. If this is the raw DICOM here, you want to go ahead and also send this to your packs as well. So once that's done, you're all set. Yeah, I hope that was short and sweet and simple. One thing you may want to check here on your OsiriX is to, if the images are compressed, first decompress them and add them to the database for JPEGs. Preserve a little bit of quality during the process. So that's it. There's our patient. I hope you found this useful, and have fun.